We are going to go through a flow where a customer comes to Data Vault, Blue Data Vault's website, and they buy a product. So they are going to go through the whole purchase experience, and that's what Anat will take us through.
Thank you, Nish. So we have three offerings over here. In this case, the customer wants to buy 5 terabyte. You can just click on Buy Now button. When you click on Buy Now button, it redirects you to the add-on page where you can allow the customer to add, sell, buy, or purchase more add-ons. As you click on this, as you notice that there's already a data cloud storage for 5 terabyte added, including that add-on, and the pricing is shown over here. You do have an option to sell it for a yearly, which discounts the price to 10%. As I click on it, it automatically calculates the price for you. Let's go ahead and click on Proceed to Checkout. Over here, you'll notice that the taxes are not calculated at the moment. What we've done is once you've entered the address information, right, which is your postal code, there is a tax calculation that will happen as well. So let's go and enter some details. Bob Lake.
Yeah, and while Anat is doing this, one of the things we wanted to call out here is that RLM also integrates with standard text engines like Vertex or Avalara. So you can make a tax call if needed. In some cases, it's not required, but we are demonstrating here where you can make a tax call as well.
Yeah. So right now, as you can see, as I entered those details, the system automatically calculates the taxes for us, which is $21.60. And it gives us a grand total of $291.60 over here. I'm going to enter some credit card details to go and proceed with the payment.
Again, you can have integration with Stripe or any other payment processing engine that you want to use. While Unnat is going through this, what you'll also see is that as the order gets placed, we would have all of the records created, relevant records created in the system. What you can also see is that if we want to do auto renewal, we can choose for that and the system can handle that. In this case, we'll just keep proceeding without auto renewal. And what we will do is that we will create an automated renewal opportunity in the background, which we'll also see as we go.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on the purchase button. So in this scenario, the system is basically figuring out whether that particular account exists or not. If it does not, it will go and create that account, all the necessary information within the system itself. Then it goes and generates the order. It tells you within your e-commerce site what your order details are, right? And all of this information is pulled from your RLM itself. So if I go back to our Salesforce org with RLM on it, I search for that order number. You'll notice that Chevron account was created. There's an order generated. Within this particular order, if I go to the related tab, you'll notice the data cloud storage, which we added, along with the antivirus, which was an add-on for us. Let me go back to the account now. Within the account, this gives us the full insight of what has happened from the portal itself. You'll notice all the details was already captured. The A number was generated for us. This is a customer number that we are tracking within our e-commerce site to be utilized as a unique identifier that for that particular customer. Then there's a contact for Bob that got generated. You notice that the order is associated to the account as well. And then since there are two products that were added as part of subscription management, you see two assets generated within the system with the 1 year of pricing that, purchase that the customer had done. Additionally, you'll also notice that for that particular order number, right, which ended on 1967, the system has already created a renewal opportunity for us as well, which can be used for forecasting.
Yes, so again, what we are seeing here is that we have an e-commerce flow that is enabled on the website, powered by RLM. And as that happens, all of the relevant data gets created within Salesforce so that we have a unified view of every purchase that the customer has made and have a single place where we can track all of the opportunities, orders, and assets, both for any ongoing transactions as well as for any reporting and analytics.
Thank you for
Thank
watching.